What do you do if you have restless legs? Okay, painful at night, feels like worms, feels like pins and needles, feels like there's a lot of sensation in the legs, especially at nighttime for people. Could happen during the day as well. What's going on there? Two primary things to look at. One, the nerves. Two, the muscle and the balance of fluid in the muscle. This is massive. So restless leg syndrome affects millions of people. Seen very, very good results with the simple natural steps I'm going to teach you below. Number one, take a half a teaspoon of sea salt, put it in water, 4 to 6 ounces, and drink it right before bed. Game changer. So many people have poor electrolyte balances in their body. So the muscles can't recover properly and they get all squirmy at night. Put the salt in. Real salt, Himalayan, Celtic, Redmond's real sea salt. It's the one we have in our cupboard. That's what I'd recommend. Number two, in the afternoon, don't drink Gatorade for electrolytes. Drink Energize. This is what I made to put the balance of magnesium, potassium, the salts, taurine, D-ribose, which are the best 2 amino acids for your muscles, including your heart, and a big dose of vitamin C. Take that in the afternoon. Try the sea salt at night. Amazing difference for those. Those of you that start losing weight or following the steps that we put in the book, you can grab one of those right now, that free book to get you started. When you start losing weight, you take insulin out of the body, and when insulin is lowering, something's got to make up to keep the fluids balanced, especially in your legs. So salt starts to get used up. So when you're losing weight, you're oftentimes depleting salt and magnesium, which then can create this cramping or this restless leg. So if you're experiencing that or you're getting really cold while you're fasting or you're doing the steps from the book, you got to get more salts in. We made it easy with Energize, which is a non-sugar form of basically like a Gatorade, like a powdered Gatorade. And lemon lime was my favorite as a kid, so that's what we started with, okay, flavor-wise. Okay. Then we want to look at B vitamins. Methylated version of B vitamins, extremely important, meaning that methylcobalamin, B12, has to have a methylated group associated with it, which means it's already converted in your body, so your body doesn't have to go through the process of converting it, which some people have a lot of problems with. Now, why are B vitamins important for a case like this? B vitamins help the blood vessels that support the nerves in the leg. So we see this a lot with neuropathy, but this can equate to restless legs as well. Getting your B vitamins back in, our multivitamin, my collagen, I'm drinking B vitamins right now, will replenish those in the methylated version. Now what that will do is replenish those blood vessels that are supplying the nerves to help out the nerve flow in the leg, which brings us to the final point of nerve damage in general. If there is damage to your lumbar spine, to your sacrum, to your hips, those nerves are the ones that go all the way down your legs. So oftentimes rehabbing these, or maybe getting a chiropractic analysis of that lower area to find out damage, finds the impingements, finds the damage to the nerves that are supplying the legs. There are videos on how you can rehab the lower back, the hips on drlivingood.com. I would highly recommend checking those out to rehab the low spine, because that's where the nerves head down into the legs from the lower back. So go to the source, address it at the source. There you go. Restless leg. 4 natural ways. You can beat it. Grab the book if you need a place to start. It walks you through a lot of those lifestyle steps that we just discussed.